Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this simple video, I'm going to show you how you can add the music to your CapCut. So now I'm using CapCut for PC, and after you open it, you are just going to click import on the media. In the media, you can click import and then select your music in your files. For example, just click on it and click open. So the music has been added to your CapCut, and you can also add the music from audio. Just click audio and you can extract the video. Just click on import and select the video that you want to extract the audio. For example, okay, so the audio has been extracted. Okay, and you can also add the music available here. Just download and add to your track. That's it. So that's all. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.